Good day, people of YouTube. Check this out. Went out to Harbor Freight, picked me up a wagon, some plywood. I took the Briggs, the little Briggs, and the battery mounted on there. Just for reference, you can see how big it is. That's an average soda can. She's up there, pretty big. Now the Wisconsin. Yeah, I mounted both motors on there just to make it easier to take them out to the show, which is coming up on September 11th, 12th, 13th of 2015 in New Cumberland, West Virginia, at Thompson Run State Park. Yeah, I'm going to be there with these two, the Briggs, the Wisconsin, the 140, and the gas bike. And it's a neat little cart. Wheels pivot. With both of them on there, it ain't that hard to push them. I do bounce around a little bit, but I only plan on firing one of them up at a time. I mean, I had them outside today running. And I can tell you, the Wisconsin, man, she likes to jump. Whew. She was bouncing a good bit along with the Briggs. She was shaking the Briggs up pretty good, and then I fired the Briggs up. She was bouncing a bit. Those are solid tires. It's a good, in my opinion, this wagon's pretty good. I've only had it for a couple days now, but it's pretty good. But yeah, if you guys ever plan on coming out to the show, it's actually meeting me out there. That's September 11th, 12th, 13th of September 2015 at Thompson Run State Park in New Cumberland, West Virginia. Come out and see all the old tractors, see all the games we're playing. Ah, crap, my nose is itching. But yeah, a little estimation of how wide it is. Both motors are sitting pretty on it. There's the backs of them. Poor little Toro on there, it's a little bench. Poor little Toro. Yep. Oh, I took the gas bike out. She's up in the garage right now. I got a bearing going out on it. It's whining a lot. Yeah. Little Briggs. They're all 4 strokes, I can tell you that much. And this one here is a, if I can get the spin. It's a Trifco clutch. That's electric, that's pull. They're good little motors. This one's a bit louder than that one. Yeah, there's a big size difference and not much of a horsepower difference. That's an 11, that's a 9. Gee, any questions about the fair or when is there or about these two motors? Post them in the comments. Also, please subscribe. I'll be trying to post as many of them as possible, many videos as possible. But yeah. Just got mounted today. I took them outside and ran them a bit. So, hopefully seeing you guys in the next video. Adios.